What's up, my peeps? This is a simple recipe. This is a peach cobbler crunch, and I'm telling you, this will hurt you. This is not a Weight Watchers meal. I'm telling you, this will put some weight on you. In the beginning, what I did, I had 3 small cans of peaches. I used 1 can of the juice, and then I drained the other 2 cans and just dumped it right in, as you can see. Next, what you want to do is add cinnamon. Now, you just want to be able to just dust all of the peaches. There's no measurement, just dust all the peaches really good. The next thing I did, I added ground nutmeg. Now, nutmeg is strong, so I just dusted it real lightly a couple of times, and that was it. Next thing I added was the pure vanilla extract. Here I used about a tablespoon and a half. Next, we're going to add brown sugar. Now, you can use light brown or dark brown, depending on your preference. It calls for a cup or a cup and a half of brown sugar. What you're going to do is put half of it now in the beginning, and you're going to use the other half at the back end for the top. At this point, just mix it really well. This is my own twist. Now, don't tell anybody. This is just between you and I. Just a few drops of lemon juice for flavor. Now it's time for the top crust. Super moist yellow cake mix. Just spread the cake mix completely over the top of all of the peaches. Now here, what you want to do is you just want to smooth it out nice and gently, cover all the peaches. Now here comes the best part, the butter. Everything's good with butter, right? Slice up a stick and a half of butter and just place it on top. At this point, you just want to add just a little more cinnamon for the top. Just dust all of the top really good. Now here's where you're going to add that other half a cup of brown sugar. You're just going to spread it out over the top. This is going to be part of your topping, your crust for the crunch peach cobbler. Well, that's pretty much it on that side. Now we just place it in a preheated oven of 350 degrees. You want to bake this for at least 35 to 45 minutes until it is bubbly, melted, and golden brown. Does yours look like this? I hope so. Take it out, place it somewhere to cool, and let it sit for just a few minutes. You know what time it is, right? Go on and get you some vanilla ice cream or some Cool Whip. But as you can see from the video, we already jumped in it. Enjoy, y'all. Crunch peach cobbler, Malachi style.